Take a look at the sample problem. So the sample problem is like this. We need to draw the pneumatic sequencing circuit for the following sequence: A plus B minus A minus. So as we saw earlier, first what we need to do is to divide this into group, which I have already done. So this is the sequence also was A plus B minus A minus. A plus B plus are in the same group. Again, B minus cannot be in this group because B will be repeated. Hence I divided it into a group. So there are two pilot lines required, S1 and S2. So basically we have two cylinders over here, cylinder A, and cylinder B. Now another thing you need to notice, first occurrence of A is plus. So I have drawn this is in minus position. Cylinder A is in minus position. First occurrence of B is also in plus. So again I have drawn the cylinder B in minus position. Now what you can see here, A0, A1, B0, B1 are basically the limit switches. What we'll be doing is we'll not be drawing the limit switches over here because it would be very messy to line up all the limit switches with the pneumatic lines. Hence we'll just denote the names over here, A0 for A minus position, A1 for A plus position, and correspondingly B0 and B1. And these are the two valves which would control the forward and reverse, like plus and minus position of each cylinder. So currently by default, if you see, this is in A minus position, hence compressed air supply is going over here, and this is exhaust. This you need to be careful. If you by mistake draw this position over here, it would mean A plus position and the entire circuit is wrong then. Again over here, if you observe, it's the same. Compressed air is going over here and cylinder is in B minus position, and this is exhaust. When I supply some compressed air supply from here, this position should switch and compressed air will flow over here, and again it will go to B plus position. Now the pilot lines there are two pilot lines required, S1 and S2. So I have just drawn those two pilot lines. Pilot line is basically the pressure in the entire line is the same, and to switch between two pilot lines, as we saw earlier, for cascading method, if there are two pilot lines, we would require 2 minus 1, that is n minus 1 valve. So this is the one valve which will help us switch between the two pilot lines. So basically what we'll be doing is we'll switch on S1, perform this A plus operation, then B plus operation, then the group 1 work is done. Then we'll just switch the pilot line to S2, then the S2 will perform B minus position operation, and then A minus operation, and then everything will be done.